everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet El Camino. Great car, guys. Rock solid Georgia body. Car's about I think he said a 6-7 year old body up restoration. It's got like 7,200 miles on the resto. Really cool car. This is a factory cranberry red car. Now, it's actually done in a two-tone. He did a silver on the bottom. I know they did this, but I'm not real sure what it would call for on the trim code. I can't tell you I've owned a ton of El Caminos. Although actually lately here, this is the third one I've had. We've had a nice little run on some nice El Caminos. But real good car, like I say, Georgia car. Factory cranberry red. It's got the black vinyl top. It's got factory black interior. They've done something neat. I'll show you on the interior. It's got a TMI bolstered seat, which is super comfortable. Car really hits the road good. Matching numbers. 350 Chevrolet small block underneath the hood. They've added a little cam, some little bolt-on stuff, some headers. It's got air, blows ice cold. You can see it's got 17-inch American Racing torque thrust with those bullet-looking caps on it. Those are pretty cool. And really just a good car. They have put the 71 marker lights on it. I agree. I like the 71 marker lights better than the 72s. But if you don't like that, that's an easy swap. There's, it basically just pulls out and then the correct year goes in there. Couple little blemishes as you walk around. You can pick in the paint, but very nice. I saw a couple little touch-up marks and stuff like that, but still very nice. You can see they've updated the headlights, new bumpers. Really just a good car. Drives out really nice. Shifts good. It's got all UMI Performance suspension components, so it really drives nice and tight. It doesn't rattle. It's really done nice. Get a pick a peek. You can see this chrome's got a couple little blemishes in it. The rest on it look really good. Good looking car. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust with chrome tips. Love those. Those are American Racing. I think they call that the bullet cap. Those are really cool. Kuhmo rubber, all ZR rated rubber all the way around it. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Again, front disc brakes. Pretty paint on the car. Really slick. Again, matching numbers, 350 engine. Again, you can see some bolt-on stuff. They've got a Holley Performance dual-feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake, just a mild cam in it. Does have headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air blows cold, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. 350 turbohydramatic trans. Again, you can see the tubular and upper and lower control arms. It's got again, UMI front and rear sway bars, 350 turbohydramatic trans. Good car, real good car. It's just a little speck of dust. trim here is real nice. This is a remote mirror. Door handles look new. Put a little original door sticker. Door seams look clean. They did that on both sides, just a little pinstriping inside the doors. Again, it's factory black, vinyl interior. It's got a custom sound system in it. You can see this box in the rear. This is nice. So that is a factory seat, and then that's a TMI bolstered interior kit for this. So you get the padding, the cover, and it's super comfortable. Really nice. And again, it's bolstered, so it kind of holds you in there, which is really nice. 7,200 miles on the resto. Factory dash. It's got aftermarket sound system. He's got some gauges, aftermarket gauges under there. I know the original owner's manual's in the glove box. Dash looks really good. Headliner looks good. I think it said 350 turbohydramatic. Touch-up mark there. 12-bolt rear axle. No big gear. It's like a 323. It does have the UMI rear suspension kit with the stabilizer bars and traction bars, and again, rear sway bar. Clean, nice car. Car, truck, whatever you want to call them. My dad used to call these the original SUVs. Clean underneath. Again, you can see all that aftermarket suspension. That's why it drives so tight. Yeah, you can see they put a little pinstriping in there. A little pizzazz in there. Very cool seat. Again, you can see the dash looks good. Gauges are nice and clean. Looks real good. They can just kick your air on, it blows ice cold. Nothing crazy, just a mild built. Again, matching numbers engine. Is that fuel gauge in there working? Is it up? Might be grounded out. Might have to check it. Let me see if I can see the gauges in here. Holding good oil pressure. Water meter works. Good sound. Backup lights work. Radio's all functional, blower motor works. Oh, it's all Bluetooth in there too. There's a microphone up there, so it hooks to your phone, all that stuff. Neat car. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video.